Hey everybody, just wanted to, since it's that time of year, tell my chimney fire story. It's not recent, well, it is within the past, 5 years, but, one day I had the wood stove going. Don't remember what month, obviously in the winter. And I was out here doing chores, and at the time, I think I had the pigs over here on the other side of the pond berm, the far side here. And, or the male goats, and was just, hi Cider. It was, on the outer far side of the pond berm, and I heard this loud pop. And, I was like, what the fuck was that? So I look over in the direction it came from, which was the house, terrified. And there were flames shooting out of the chimney. And if you ever want to really know how fast you can move your body and how fast you can run, seeing flames shoot out of your chimney is a good motivator for that. I booked it as fast as my little stumpy legs could carry me, and ran inside where I noticed that the fire going in the wood stove was absolutely out of control and way past the safe temperature range of about 400. And so I have a dampener on my stove and air control wheel in the front. So I was, fucking panicking and closed those off, but it was too late. The fire was actually in the freaking chimney. And creosote in there had built up from not burning dry enough, seasoned enough wood. Wood that's been, outside facing the sun and drying for at least 2 years. And yeah, that's what happens when you burn green wood. The creosote builds up in the chimney, and it's really, really easy for it to just catch on fire. Even a 1/4 of an inch of creosote lining your chimney equals disaster. So I dialed 911, and they were like, get the fuck out of the house. And I'm like, not without my 6 cats. My dog was already outside, I think, and dogs, plural. And yeah, I was, frantically trying to collect the cats and get them out and, in the house trying to make the chimney fire go out. And it took what seemed like forever for the local volunteer fire department to get up this mountain and get here. And when they got here, obviously they can't get the fire truck down the driveway in winter when it's unplowed. Or even if it were plowed, and they just, came down the hill from the road into the house, and I think they had a ladder and they were climbing on the roof. I don't remember. The whole thing was traumatic, let's put it that way. So, I know it's getting close to springtime, and people might be running out of seasoned firewood if they weren't prepared for how cold and rough this winter was, but yeah, burning green wood, bad idea. Serious consequences can happen. So there's my little story about having a chimney fire. Don't do what I did.